Question number 1. National bird of the USA is. What is the national bird of USA? Correct option A. Bald eagle. Bald eagle. Question number 2. National bird of the United Kingdom. National bird of United Kingdom. Correct option B. Robin. Robin. Question number 3. The national bird of Canada is. The national bird of Canada. Correct option D. Grey jay. Grey jay is the correct answer. Question number 4. National bird of Australia is. National bird of Australia. Correct option is D. Emu. Emu is the correct answer. Question number 5. What national bird of Japan is? What is the national bird of Japan? Correct option is A. Green pheasant. Green pheasant is the correct answer. Question number 6. National bird of France is. What is the national bird of France? Correct option B. Rooster. Rooster is the correct answer. Question number 7. National bird of Germany is. What is the national bird of Germany? Correct option A. Golden eagle. Question number 8. National bird of Italy. National bird of Italy is. Correct option B. Sparrow. Sparrow is the correct answer. Question number 8. National bird of South Korea is. What is the national bird of South Korea? Correct option A. Magpie. Magpie is the correct answer. Question number 10. National bird of New Zealand is. What is the national bird of New Zealand? Correct option B. Kiwi. Question number 11. What is the national bird of India? The national bird of India is. Correct option C. Peacock. Peacock is the correct answer. Question number 12. What is the national bird of Bhutan? National bird of Bhutan is. Correct answer is option B. Raven. Raven is the correct answer. Question number 13. What is the national bird of Nepal? This is also one of the important question. National bird of Nepal. Correct option is D. Himalayan monal. Himalayan monal. Question number 14. What is the national bird of Bangladesh? What is the national bird of Bangladesh? This is also important question. Correct option C. Magpie robin. Magpie robin. Question number 15. What is the national bird of China? What is the national bird of China? Correct option D. Golden peasant. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you like my work, please follow and subscribe.